The end is closing in on the Ka-52 Alligator. On paper, it's an $18 million tank killer. In today's war, it's being hunted by missiles, guns, and even cheap drones. We'll break down what the data really says, why the Ka-52 keeps falling, and why, no matter the upgrades, it may not survive what's coming. The Ka-52 was designed to dominate at low altitude. A 30mm .2, a .42 cannon, 6 hardpoints, and up to 2,000 kg of rockets and anti-tank missiles, Vickers-M, Ataka, and the longer-range LMUR give it serious bite. Top speed about 300 km per hour, combat radius 460 km, service ceiling 5,500 meter. That agility comes from its coaxial rotors, no tail rotor, tight turns, rock-steady hover. On paper, lethal. In practice, the battlefield had other plans. Year 1 of the full-scale war was brutal for Russian attack helos. A NATO-affiliated study tallied 59 destroyed in the first 12 months. Ka-52s made up 62% of those losses. Most shootdowns were from manpads, 49%, then anti-air guns and small arms, classic low-altitude killers. Russia adapted, and losses per year dropped as tactics changed and longer-range missiles kept helicopters farther from shoulder-fired threats. But a new danger grew. More aircraft destroyed or damaged on the ground as strikes reached rear areas. And when Ukraine hit a Ka-52 pair on the ground in Belgorod with HIMARS in March 2025, it showed those rear areas aren't safe anymore. Multiple outlets reported 2 Ka-52s and 2 Mi-8s destroyed in that single raid. Here's the controversy. Investigators say high levels of vibration in the Ka-52 limit long-range targeting, exactly where it needs precision to stay out of manpad's range. Pair that with outdated maps, weaker self-protection, and night flying limits early in the war, and you get a platform forced lower into the kill zone. There's also the economics of attrition. A $18 million helicopter can be knocked out by a $10,000 FPV drone, a cost curve no air arm can ignore. And even when pilots survive, thanks to armor and rare ejection seats, the airframe does not. The broader data trend. Ka-52s were the majority of Russia's early attack helo losses. Moscow's answer is the Ka-52M, active electronically scanned AESA radar, rosettes, improved electro-optics, navigation, night upgrades, and fully baked-in LMUR strikes at up to 14 km farther out, away from shoulder-fired missiles. Analysts credit these changes for cutting shootdowns in year 2, but also note more helicopters hit on the ground as Ukraine ranges deeper. Bottom line, upgrades help, but the battlefield has changed faster. Drones above, manpads everywhere. Precision rockets reaching rear strips. That's the storm the Ka-52 can't outrun. So, legendary predator or high-priced target in a new kind of war? Drop your take below. If this opened your eyes, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for straight-shooting military breakdowns. Until next time, stay sharp, stay locked, and loaded.